Howdy partner. So you want to learn how to paint French doors quick and easy? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today we're going to paint these French doors really quick, really easy, and get a great end result. I hope. Fingers crossed. So if you can look at this, this looks like it's going to be difficult. You got all these panes. It will be a ton of taping. We've got 4 of these doors that we got to paint up, and it just looks like a miserable job. Now they sell this stuff that's called masking liquid H2O. I've never used it before, but it has good reviews. And supposedly you take this, you can spray it or paint it, and you put it onto the windows. It doesn't matter if you get it onto the wooden outlines. And then you let it dry. Then you spray the paint or roll it. We're going to actually spray these doors. And when you're done, you just take a knife, cut along it, and it shows it coming off in pieces. So we're going to see if that actually works, because if it does, it's going to make these windows look absolutely great, or these doors, and it should be pretty easy. So stay tuned, let's see how this works. The way to make this job go really fast is to use a finishing tool, and you put some of the paint on there. I'm going to spread it on the windows, and then you're just going to quickly go around it and coat the entire surface. Now we're going to do 2 coats, so you don't need to be perfect. And again, if it gets on the wood, it will, that's okay. It kind of just acts as a primer. You see I turn that so then I can make sure I get in these corners and edges. And this is a lot quicker than a paintbrush and gets a really good coating, just as long as everything's covered. So it goes a long way. And then when you're done, your project should look something like this. This is all prepped. Let it dry, give it one more coat, and it'll be ready to spray. Also, I know I just called this compound paint, but this is obviously still the masking liquid. Before somebody goes and paints their French doors, it's the masking liquid I'm talking about. Okay, so we went ahead and we sprayed these doors down with a couple coats of white paint. We had done that quick spread of the H2O liquid mask, let that dry overnight, sprayed it. Now it's been about a day or 2. So, moment of truth, you just want to score the edges. Just score them real quick with a razor blade. You don't have to push in very hard. Just want to make sure that tape comes up, or not the tape, the paint gets cut. I'm going to go ahead and do 2 just to see how it works. Okay, so will it actually work? Wow, that was easy. Let me check this one. Oh, perfect. And what's even better is it really cleans the surface. So if you see up close, you have perfectly painted lines, more exact than you would normally get. And what's better is we use this on the front door, which has 2 side window lights, as well as the front door. And I had already removed that one, so I kind of knew it was going to work. But it doesn't matter the size. You can take a large window like this one, and you should still have very good results. This is incredibly satisfying. And I'm not, an influencer or being paid in any way by that company. Just found a neat trick. I want to pass it along. You guys can understand this is pretty difficult. So on this big one, I mean, are you kidding me? That's amazing. Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Greg's How To. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and you will get more neat tricks just like this coming right out your inbox. Appreciate all likes and comments. Talk to you later. And remember, if I can do it, you can too.